Sigalakan ng pak.
Hidden underneath the floor. In the attic of my dreams, there's somebody I adore. I could smile, I could lie, say I never think about you at all, most of the time. Maybe the way the clouds are painted a perfect shade of yellow all across the sky. Or maybe the way the times are changing and I'm stuck in the middle, frozen in a fire. Baby, you're on my mind.
GT-nya. Doors will open, doors will close. In the basement of my dreams, there's somebody I ignored. Yeah, I'm a fool, don't be surprised. I don't ever think about you at all, but right now I just need you to know.
Maybe the way the clouds are painted a perfect shade of yellow all across the sky. Or maybe it's the way the times are changing and I'm stuck in the middle, frozen in a fire. Baby, you're on my mind. You showed up, crystalline casually. Our love was what it had to be. You showed up like you're still attached to me. Our love was what it had to be.
Maybe.
Humingang malalim, pumikit na muna. At baka sakaling namamalikmata lang. Ba't nababahala? Di ba't ako'y mag-isa?
Bang, say hi, Bang.
Hey!
Ka, say hi.
Ini.
Wow, orang Melaka. Welcome to Sabah. Bye-bye. This is our gelato. Muka kali kemarin. Muka ni. Wow.
Hirap na kong intindihin, tanging panalangin, lubayan na sana. Dahil sa bawat tingin,
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling well. I'm feeling fresh. Because I'm thinking of
kahit saan
Anis, Emmy.
mapunta ay anino mo'y kumakapit sa'king kamay. Ako'y dahan-dahan nililibing ng buhay pa. Hindi na makalaya,
Terkejut aku. You want to what? You want like that also? Okay. Ini lagi ah. Wow. Yeah. Fatin buat apa?
Berak.
Berak di mana?
Oke. Batu.
Batu apa?
Mata.
The kids. Gete. Kenapa? Ih, gete. Ih, gete.
Hi guys. Where's the camera? It's morning. Where is the Gunung Kinabalu? Nina. Sekarang it's 17 Celsius. It's cold. Very, very cold.
I like view. You do? Yeah, your bestie.
Fatin, look here. What do you think of our homestead? Dekat lah. Kemari ta. What do you guys think?
It's amazing.
Why is it amazing?
Good cat here.
There's a car. Where's the car? Okay. Car. Okay. Mama Fatin.
Pretty at the outside.
Okay.
Outside, tapi inside it's ugly. Cantik.
Anis, what do you think?
Just like Martin said, don't judge the book by its cover. It look ugly, but pretty.
Yeah.
It fits all
Cozy.
Cozy.
of us. It fits all of us. So it's enough.
Yeah,
More
bro.
than enough.
Yeah, bro.
We don't need a big house. We don't need any.
Macam kau bilang tadi, mau tetap kecil.
Oh ya kah? Alamak guys, tidak tutup. Dah jatuh. Dah ya. Okay. Kan? Okay, we're done. Diam-diam kena.
Oi, salah.
Jatuh deng labu lagi tadi gitu. Sekali tak terikat.